We will see the tympanic membrane here, obliquely situated, upper part is the upper trachea. See here the upper part, small triangular area is called pars placida. Small part, pars placida. It has a two-fold, anterior malleolar fold. It is the outer surface. It is the outer surface has got two parts. Two distinct parts are here. Two distinct parts, pars placida, and there is a pars tensa. Pars placida, pars tensa is here, and there is a line of attachment. The line attachment can be seen. It is the outer surface. Outer surface has got two parts. Small part is called pars placida. A movable, a smooth part, and the tough part is a pars tensa. And there are two folds. Anterior malleolar folds. Anterior malleolar fold, posterior malleolar fold. And the inner surface. Inner surface you can see head of the malleolus incus the body. It is a tooth-like process, a short process. It is crossed by the cauda tympani. Cauda tympani, it is the pre-traumatic nerve. It is the handle of malleolus. It is the pars tensa. It is the pars tensa, inner surface. That is the handle of malleus, head of malleus, incus in the inner surface. Now we will see the coronal section. It has got the three layers. Outermost layer is it has got the three layers. You can see the head of malleolus here. And the most convex part. See, most convex part is called as umbo. And there is a fibrous layer can be seen here. Mucous membrane can be seen here. Here, the medially you can see the middle ear. Medially you can see the middle ear. Handle of malleus can be seen in the coronal section. It is the coronal section. The most convex part is the umbo. And there is a fibrous layer. Beneath the fibrous layer, there is a mucous membrane. And the cross section, then we can see the arrangement of the fibrous layer. Deep circular layer. See, deep circular layer, superior radiating layer. You can see here in the fibrous. It is a fibrous arrangement. What I am showing is the fibrous layer. In the fibrous layer, deep circular and superficial radiating, and the cross section, outer cuticular layer. Outermost layer is the skin. Cuticular means skin layer, which develop from the ectoderm. You can see middle fibrous layer. Middle fibrous layer can be seen here, which is development from the mesoderm. Cuticular layer from the ectoderm. Inner mucous membrane from the endoderm. These are the three structures can be seen here. These are the curvatures and the structure can be seen here. It is regarding the diagrammatic expression of the tympanic membrane. Tympanic membrane, it is the outer surface. It is the outer surface. Two pars placida, pars tensa. Anterior fold, posterior fold. Inner surface, there is a handle of head of malleus, incus. Cauda tympani can be seen here, and you can see here the cross section of the tympanic membrane.